today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Whatnot account. First of all, launch open Whatnot application. You can see over here Whatnot application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you do not have the account yet, you can create the account for yourself. But if you would like to log in to your account, what you have to do is tap on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the login interface of Whatnot. You can either continue with Google, Facebook or email. So simply tap on the method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to tap on this option continue with email. Now once you do that, what you have to do is enter your email and password over here. Tap on the field of email or username. Now what you have to do is enter the email address or username over here. Likewise, enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the option forget password and you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, enter your password in this field. Now after you enter the password, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here a verification code will be sent to your phone number. So what you have to do is simply check the verification code and enter it over here. Make sure to enter the correct verification code. After you do that, tap on the submit option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Whatnot account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.